You're gonna take this challenge?
Oh, yes.
You understand it's the hottest corn chip in the world.
Yes.
So you're happy with it?
Should be.
Okay. So once you eat that, you will not drink anything for 3 minutes.
Okay.
And we'll continue talking to you. You have to talk to us continuously and you have to tell us how you're feeling and everything. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. So grab, tissue paper. Oh, yes. Okay, you have to wash your hands.
That's all.
Okay. Put the whole chip inside your
Whole
mouth,
chips and
whole
then
chip,
bite
and
it.
then you have to chew
Oh,
it.
shit, that's gonna be quick.
Yeah, because if you break it, it will go in your nose.
In the
So you go put whole chip inside your mouth. And chew it. You have to chew it. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
No, you swallow it first. Chew it and swallow it, and then
Yeah, it is
it is hot.
totally hot to compare to the other corn chips, definitely.
Yeah.
And it's got quite a lot of chili powder, whatever the hot things is on top.
Well, it's got 3 different types
This
of
is-
chili in it.
Yeah, it's really hot. It's got like it's getting the chili and hot to my up to the throat here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's now I can feel like bit like oh shit. Getting- so it's on my cheeks,
Yeah.
on my lips,
Yeah.
and a little bit on my gums.
How do you insides are
Inside is all right.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's not too bad on the inside.
Alright, I just got a burping because it might be too hot.
Yeah, that's alright.
Oh yeah, still controllable, but
So you're comfortable with it?
yeah, it's,
You can have
no,
lassi if you want.
I'll hold it until I can do.
That's alright.
So is it getting hotter and hotter?
Yeah, it's getting hotter and my hands is getting a bit sweaty now because of might be the extreme heat and might be a little bit weather. Yeah, start getting bit.
Don't touch any because you've got that chili in your hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wipe it with your. Yes.
Yeah,
You could have just
You have to wash it. Yeah.
yeah, it is hot. Like even
Still.
I think I can't eat more than 2
No?
chips at a time.
okay.
One is enough
Yeah.
for a while, like another half an hour.
Yeah.
He ate two simultaneously.
Oh, that's good. I want. Yeah, it is getting.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
shit.
have your
I got
time.
like my
Yeah, use tissue.
yeah. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
If you can manage, like you're not gonna be feeling like you're gonna be
Yeah.
your BP is going high,
Yeah.
but you're feeling the heat everywhere. Like in your eardrums, you feel bit tingling.
Tingling.
Yeah, second time it was hurting like along my ear.
It's mostly like heats in over your face, not
And your tongue
Yeah.
and your
and
cheek,
tongue
right?
and above this part.
Yeah.
You're getting more heat than
Yeah.
the bottom.
Yeah.
But
See,
I think
sweat-
as soon as I
it's
drink
that sweat.
something, it will go to the rest of the body.
Watery eyes.
So that's why I tried not to drink on top of the heat.
Yeah, just make sure that you drink a lot of milk tonight when you go home. Milk, otherwise it will get.
No, definitely I'll probably drink at least 500 ml milk straight. But it's
Is it getting better? Is it hot?
no,
still
no,
hot?
it's settling down now.
Yeah, yeah.
It's getting weaker and weaker as a heatness. But still, I feel my tongues at the bottom is getting bit.
Yeah, it'll stay like that for a while.
You sure you don't want lassi?
How many more minutes to go?
It's 4 minutes already.
Oh, then I'll go.
Yeah.
See.
How's that feel?
Oh, that's better. Definitely, you have to keep the handy, something like that.
Yeah.
Because once you, yeah, the spice of the top goes to your throat as a roll,
Yeah.
you feel like dry powder,
Yeah,
Right.
literally.
heat powder,
Yeah.
like before it goes with the saliva, so you won't feel.
So this one is 1.5 million Scoville heat.
Yeah, I can see that.
It has got 3 chilies: Carolina Reaper, which is the strongest.
Okay.
Then it goes ghost pepper,
Ghost
which
pepper,
is second strongest, and then there is third one, right?
Habanero.
It's on the
There's a
side.
scorpion.
Scorpion, yes.
Okay.
What's the scrotum?
So it has got Carolina Reaper, Scorpion Chili, Booth Jokia, citric acid, sugar, paprika, dehydrated vegetables. Booth Jolokia was one of the hottest in India.
Oh, is
It
it?
was Indian chili. Then they hybrid it and make Scorpion chili. And after that, it was hybrid again and
Then-
Carolina Reaper. So Carolina Reaper is like 100,000, I think 1 million something.
Yeah, something like that. I think we're between 1 million, 2 million.
Scoville heat.
Yeah.
So why they made that product?
There is another one which has got 10 million.
No. Definitely not for me.
So this is 1.5 million. There is another one with 3 million. Another one is 10 million.
Yeah.
Shit. Why they made that much chili? Wow.
This is
I'm gonna
the
eat.
this is the competition. It's a challenge which goes around. If you go on internet, you find hottest chip,
Chips.
and you will find so many videos where people are doing this challenge.
Oh, shit.
Okay.